As a professional horticulturalist, Felco makes my favorite pruning shears, as well as these little snippers. This is the Felco 322. They're super lightweight, they have very nice blades, and they're very easy to use. They're perfect for removing things like old flowers because they're so precise. The blades are thin, and you can just get right in there, nice and easily, snip it right off. You can quickly and easily harvest things like your cucumbers and your tomatoes, no problem. And I love the size of these because you can easily fit them in a side pocket and walk around the garden with them, and they're going to be just perfect. Just like all other Felco shears, these are super high quality, but because these are meant for more lightweight projects around the garden, they also carry a much more lightweight price tag, which is very accessible for most of us home gardeners out there. So if you need a nice, precise, easy to use, very highly effective little snipper, Felco 322 are a great option. It's what I use every day.